Inside of the map menu, you're able to see the current location of each of your vehicles. However, if you would like to see where your vehicles have been previously, you're able to generate that data using the Trips History option. By selecting one or all of your vehicles, we're able to see their current location and status. However, if we select the Trips History option, we're able to see their previous location. Currently, there shows that there was no activity for today's date. However, we can scroll back using the back button and pull data from the previous day. Here, we see the last day and times where the vehicle has recorded trip history. Within our trip history report, we're able to see the title of each of our vehicles, and we're able to see the address of each of the locations where our vehicle stopped for more than 200 seconds. Within the portal, you're able to see not only the specific location, but you're also able to see the date and time, the length of each stop, how long the vehicle idled within that specific location, the driving time, the mileage, and we're also able to see any exceptions or rules that were broken while the driver was behind the wheel. If we want to see these specific locations on a map, we can select each location individually, and this will show you the route that was taken from the first stop to the second. If we want to see the trip taken for the entire day, we simply select the name of the vehicle and it will populate the stops taken for the entire day. This is what we refer to as the Breadcrumb Trail. Using the Breadcrumb Trail, we're able to identify the route that the vehicle took along its path, as well as the driver behavior, date and time of each driver's location. By following the Breadcrumb Trail, we're able to see that the vehicle was traveling 70 miles per hour on November 21st at 1:19 p.m. He was traveling 68 miles per hour in a 65 mile per hour zone. We see the location of each of the stops, as well as the violation that occurred here. So here we can note that there was idling that occurred at 7:46, and we can also see that there was another violation for hard acceleration. Each violation to the rule is displayed using the legend located at the bottom of our map. If we select each behavior, we can remove that exception from the map and simply display the route that was taken by each of our drivers. The trip history report is available within the portal. However, it can also be generated using an Excel spreadsheet by clicking the Download Excel icon, or you can generate the report in a PDF format. You're always able to generate this data for today's date, or using your Options button, you're allowed to choose your date range for today, yesterday, weekly, monthly, or for a custom date and time range. Once you select your Apply Changes button, you'll reflect that date range within the portal, and you'll still be allowed to pull trip history data for each of your vehicles.